Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Ansh Singhal welcoming you to my channel. Back with a new video in the C programming tutorial series. So guys, in this video I am gonna give you an exercise on arrays which I taught you in the video before the previous one. So before that, if you haven't accessed our playlist on the screen, the link is in description. Access this now, it will be helpful to you. So let's start the exercise. As you can see, here I am in my VS Code. Let me make a new file here. Exercise2.c, exercise2.c, not 21, it is 2. Yeah, now hope you can see the font. So what you have to do is take the user's phone number digit by digit in an array and print it. So it will take the number like this. Let me make a, for example, 9 here. It will take the number like this in digits and print the same. It will print the same. So take input like this and print the same here. Yeah, so this is the exercise. Hope you solve it and provide me the code in the any of the contacts in the description. Thank you for watching my video and submit the exercise as soon as possible. Like this video, comment down and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.